Stampers, this is Deb Valder. Welcome back to my studio. I have been working and playing with these stamps for a while now, and I can finally reveal them to you because I've sent them out to my grandchildren, and I am just so excited to show them to you. So this is Nana and Papa. No, just kidding. We just love doing things for them, and I wanted to show you these cards that I did. So here is Mummy. She's so adorable, and now in the shop. Just go over and take a look at her. She's adorable. And then all of the embellishments. This is just gauze that I had hanging around the house, a little bit of twine, and this is one of our beautiful dies, our frame dies. I've shown you this one before. I love it. This is, like I said, Nana, and she's just adorable. We're going to debut today the Nuvo drops, and I want to show you what I did. So all of the little eyes that are on here, we have the Nuvo drops for, but that's what I'm going to show you what to do today. So let me just show you Mummy here. Here is little Mummy. She's in the shop, and she's absolutely adorable. They all do come with a saying. So this one says trick or treat. So cute. All right, and then like I said, here is little vampire girl, and her little saying in here is fabulous, and I put those on the inside of the cards right here. But again, looking at the Nuvo drops, I'm going to show you some really cool things. She's in our shop. And here's Frankie, all right, this little guy right here, and it says, is it Halloween yet? Now, on this card right here, I've shown you these before, and these are in the shop. These are the cross-stitch dies that we have. They're beautiful, and they lend itself to him really well because he's all stitched up. And then I also added some of our, I just love this. This one right here is the orange glitter. It's called Orange Soda. Isn't that a cool little name? So this is from Nuvo, and I just love it. I added that into the middle of my my little burst of ribbon here, and just love it. I think I told you I colored these with the Altenew pans, I believe, and I just love it. And then this little gal right here is Happy Pumpkin Spice Season. So if you're a pumpkin spice kind of person, this one just might be for you, and it doesn't have to be just for Halloween. Again, all of her little eyes are done with Nuvo drops. This right here is done with the Nuvo Glaze. Added a little bit of raffia, and we're good to go. Take and keep looking back in the shop because this is our new paper right here. Oh, just absolutely beautiful. We've got so many new things coming up that I just wanted to show you them like crazy. But the card that I'm going to do today has to do with Nuvo, and I just love the way this came out. So in all festivities of the holiday, I wanted to share this card with you. Do you see the cute little eyeballs right there? And then I just added gauze right around it, and it's just the cutest little card. And in the inside, I put the little saying that says, I only have eyes for you. So we could even use this and decorate it for Valentine's Day or maybe an anniversary. I only have eyes for you. Isn't that the cutest little thing? So let me show you how we did this, okay? I just took just a small scrap sheet of paper. I took some of our white Nuvo drops, and I just dropped them onto my cardstock. All right, now everybody asks, how long does it take for this to dry? Well, let me just tell you that it depends on how thick you put these, but because these are eyeballs, we needed to have them nice and thick. So while it's still wet, we're going to take our black Nuvo drops. Both of these are in the shop, and we're going to just add these right to the middle of it. And you notice that when I do my Nuvo drops, I just pull them straight up, in and up. Isn't that so cute? I just absolutely love it. And then when they dry, for this one, I definitely would take and do it overnight. Just because they're very, very thick, but just do a whole bunch of them. When they're dry, just wrap your gauze around it. I taped it on the back, and then I used our pop dots, our little foam squares, to add to the back of this. And that's all there is to this card. It just opens up. You put your little saying on the inside, and it's a quick Halloween card. So today I've shown you the orange soda. I've shown you the white, and I've shown you the black. Add these to your cart when you're adding the little cards that we've done today too. I'm going to move this out of the way just in case I drop something. But again, here is our little Scarecrow girl. It's called Pumpkin Spice. And then here is little Frankie, or Kevin as I call him, Papa. And then here is Vampire Girl, and that is Nana. And we have Mummy. So if you like these, make sure you give me a thumbs up down there, and head on over to our blog at Teaspoon of Fun, because we've got some great pictures, some great ideas. You take care, have a great day, and if you have any questions, just give me a buzz. Okay? Thanks. Have a great Halloween. Bye.